Hello guys, so there's something very big coming for Bitcoin and we're expecting some major downfall, some major crash or correction is coming. Now let me show you my confidence why I feel Bitcoin is going to somewhere. First level is Bitcoin is going to 25,100. Then the next level is 17,000 and the least we can see Bitcoin or the worst is at 15k. So first of all, we have some major confidence you need to be aware of. Is that now this level, which is our 30,900, was a major support level for Bitcoin at 3 different times. 1, 2, 3. You can see 3 arrows. Sorry, 2 major times. Then it broke it, and when it broke it, it turned this support level turned into a major resistance level, and that is the major resistance Bitcoin has been facing for the past few months now. So we've touched this level, came back down, we tested it, and now we failed to close above. Now in the next 1 hour 35 minutes, I know fully well that there is no way Bitcoin will to cross or close above this 1 week line. That is the reason why I'm decided to make this video. Supposing we have a last minute grace or pump and it could close above this this yellow line, which is our 1 week resistance line, then yes, we are going to expect more pump. But for now, in fact, there are major red flags. So when we show the next confluence or red flag, we have a huge RSI divergence on the weekly time frame. Well, if you know about RSI divergence, you know that this is, in fact, is a very crucial or very good indicator that tells you, it doesn't actually predict the future very well, but what it tells you is tells you what is happening. It tells you that this trend is losing momentum, is losing steam. No new buyers are coming in, and the sellers are gaining more power. That is what it tells you. So even though price is going up, it's telling that the buying power, the rate at which people are buying, has dropped significantly. So that is one. Then if you know about candlestick patterns, what we are seeing that is forming here is an evening star candlestick pattern. Then if you go over to the daily, let's check daily and show you what's happening again. All right, okay, so this is daily. Now we have another candlestick pattern, which is our evening star. Now if you check in between, you see hammer, and if you know about hammer is a bearish candlestick pattern, telling that we are having more sellers in the market or more downward trend coming. So these are some criteria we have here. Then if you check the 4 hour time frame to go lower, you see that it's currently rejecting the moving average. I'll show you something. Okay, yes, so you can see now we've rejected this moving average about 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So in fact, there are a lot of sellers in this market currently. In fact, sellers are gaining huge momentum, and currently you can see that this is an ascending triangle, and if you know an ascending triangle, it's also the price also break above this resistance level, this below mark here. So but now we broke below. That is a very big red flag, meaning that in fact there is not enough buying power to push to make this price go up. So let me show you something else you still need to see. I think on the daily time frame, you'll see that previously Bitcoin broke a major daily support and kind of retested it. So that was the retest we are seeing, this small consolidation here. Okay, all right, so see where the level Bitcoin broke. You can see this level, it broke it somewhere here, then we tested it back. So all right, not to make this video long, so our price target for Bitcoin in next coming days is, the first level is this our fair value gap or order block. Sorry, this is our order block we have here. Then if things get worse, it can break this neckline and we'll see Bitcoin fall all the way to 17k. So it's best to get out of the market if you are holding Bitcoin presently and buy lower. If you bought Bitcoin at an expensive price, best option for you is to sell and buy at the bottom. All right, so I'll catch you next one. Take care.